So now we're going to be focusing on examples under the theorem of proportionality, right? So if you're doing grade 12, then you know that there's a theorem called proportionality, which is one of the new theorems in grade 12, right? You've never done it in grade 11. So now, if you have done the theorem or you haven't done the theorem, check the description below. There's a link where I explain the theorem of proportionality, so that you'll be able to solve these problems, right? So let's get down to this one and solve it. So in the diagram, we are given ABG, which is drawn, right? So we're given this diagram below. And what's important in the statement is that FG is parallel to CH, right? So that's one important thing, that FG, this is parallel to this, right? And then 8.2.1, we are asked to state why DE is parallel to BH. Why DE, this DE, is parallel to BH, which is this one, right? Yeah. So if you take a look, you see that this side here is equal to this side here, right? I mean, because of these two lines, they are equal. And this side here is equal to this side here, right? So there's a theorem called midpoint theorem, which you did in grade 11. So that's basically the reason, midpoint theorem. So 8.2.1, that's your answer. You're going to say midpoint theorem. Why? Because if you have, on one side, you have two sides that are equal, meaning you have AD being equals to DB. On the other side, you have AE being equals to EG. Therefore, these lines are parallel. That's what the theorem states, right? So now let's go to 8.2.2, where we are asked to solve for x. If you can check, we are asked to calculate the value of x, right? So we are given the following. We're given that FC over BF is equals to 1 over 4. So what does this mean? Let me do this. So what it means is FC is the side, right? It's from here to here. And you're told, obviously it's the ratio, it's not the actual length or unit, right? Unit length, let me say that. So you're just going to say it's 1 here, right? Because it's FC. I just want to indicate properly. So it's FC. So it's going to be 1. And then BF is 4, right? So meaning from here to here, it's 1. And then from here to here, it's 4, right? And then now, you are given that DE is 3x minus 1. So here it's 3x minus 1, right? So remember we said that this diagram, this one here, follows a midpoint theorem, right? We stated in the previous question. So what it means is that DE is twice, no, I'm lying. DE is going to be half of BG, right? Meaning that BG is twice DE, right? I hope we are getting this. So if BG is twice DE, meaning that we're going, the expression of BG would be equal to 2 times 3x minus 1. So that's the expression of BG. Why am I busy doing this is we are trying to find this side here. Why? Because we already know the expression of FC. So FC over BF, we already know the expression of, or the ratio rather, of 1 over 4. We're trying to find the ratio of the other side, which is GH over BG. We know that the ratios are equal, right? The ratio of GH over BG is equal to the ratio of FC over BF, which is equal to 1 over 4. Reason for that, it's line parallel to one side of a triangle, right? So once you know this, hence I was busy trying to find these expressions here, because we're going to use them to solve for x. So once you know that GH over BG is equal to half, meaning here it's going to be 4 also, and here it's going to be 1. All you need to do is find the expressions now. And the expression of GH, we already know the expression of BG, right, which is this one here that I just indicated. Now we want the expression of GH, which is what we given here, right? So we have everything now. So what you're going to do is this. Let me just erase here. So what you're going to do is this. So now you have your expression of GH over BG, right, which is equals to 1 over 4, right? And then now you're going to write down that expression in terms of the values of x. So what you're saying is GH over BG is equals to what? So what is GH in terms of the expression? It's x plus 1. So it's x plus 1 over what is the expression of BG? BG, it's 2 multiplied by 3x minus 1, right? So GH over BG is equals to x plus 1 over, so it's going to be 6x minus 2, right? But what is this expression here? What is this expression? It's 1 over 4, so you're just going to replace this with 1 over 4. So let me just erase this and put 1 over 4. Now we're going to do cross multiplication to solve for x, right? So if cross multiply, we're going to have 6x minus 2 equals to 4 into x plus 1, right? And then 6x minus 2 is equals to 4x plus 4. And then collect the like terms, we have 6x minus 4x equals to 4 plus 2, right? And then here we're going to have 2x is equals to 6. Divide by 2 both sides, we have x being equals to 3. So this is the value of x that we are looking for this problem here. Okay, so I'd like you guys to try out this problem here, which looks more or less the same as the one we just did. We are also asked to solve for x here in 8.2.2. So let me know what you get in the comment section below. And if you struggle with anything, I'm going to do a video regarding this problem here. Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, suggestions, or comments, please write them down in the comment section below. Otherwise, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click that bell button.